bathroom was like painted, you know, and didn't really look so good. So they're gonna.
Well, I think the one in there was painted too. It was like a pinkish color.
Yeah, that was the one. Yeah, so that pinkish color is gonna match what's in the kitchen.
Okay. Yeah, the bedroom's big.
Yeah, I mean, like this one, they still have to do the complete like paint change in here.
Oh, they're gonna paint the walls as well.
Oh yeah,
the tan color.
So this one is gonna be all like that tan color that we talked about. So I mean, automatically when they paint and they clean the carpets and they clean it, like it's not gonna smell like mothballs. It always smells like mothballs because you probably had it like on the carpet. And stuff,
you know, what is it for again?
In the closet. Like old people would use it for like to prevent moths, but there's no moths here.
Is there moths
so
here?
No.
Ew, it just stinks really bad. That's funny. Okay. New blinds and all that.
Yeah.
Right? Okay. I like it. I'm just trying to, because you said I have to kind of do something within the next 24 hours, right?
Yes, because originally these were $650, but it's kind of running a special that, I mean, basically what you would have to do